Hello, this is Wimberley Hall, room 312, and I'm going to show you how the audio-video system works in here. On the left-hand side of the teacher station is our controller, and it's going to control the projector and the video source. I'm going to press the on button on the projector, and that's going to turn the projector on for us. It does take about a minute for the projector to warm up, and the way that we'll know it's ready is when the green light on the projector goes to solid green, and when the light on our little controller here stops blinking and it's just a solid light. So while that's warming up, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take care of the screen. That's an electrical screen here in the room. I have to walk all the way across the room here and go find the switch that's way over here by the pencil sharpener. And it's a switch with 3 settings on it. An up setting, a down setting, and a neutral setting. I'm going to go ahead and click that down until my screen comes down into the position I want it to. When it comes down, I'm going to go ahead and click it into the neutral setting. If I want it to go up, I just click it up, and when it's ready, I go back into the neutral setting once again. So once I have the screen ready, and I have our system powered on, then I can come over here and start using the sources we have. I'm going to go ahead and log on to the computer. I'm just going to follow the directions that are on the screen here. I pulled out the keyboard tray. I'll hit Control-Alt-Delete to begin, just like it tells me. Then there's a responsible use message that pops up. I'll click OK on that. My username is going to be my UWL 8.4 username, just like the beginning of my UWL email address. The password is going to be my UWL net ID. And I'm going to make sure the third line here says log on to Eagle, and that's going to log me on to the computer. It takes just a couple seconds for the computer to boot up and get ready to go. And once it's set and ready for you, then you can come over to the controller. And on the right-hand side here are our sources, PC, DocCam, DVD, and laptop. The top one here is the PC. So I'm going to go ahead and click the PC button. And then in just a second, the PC shows up on the screen for us. On the right-hand side of the teacher station is the document camera. And in the front left of the document camera is our power button. I'll go ahead and power the button on until I get a green light. There's a little green indicator light here that's going to go through its boot up cycle. Once that is a solid green, I'll know the document camera is ready to go. The advanced features like zoom and focus are located right here in front. Feel free to adjust those as you think you need them. Once the document camera is ready to go, I come back over to the controller. I hit the little button with the picture of a DocCam and labeled DocCam. And then in just a second, the document camera comes up on the screen, and anything I do underneath the camera will show up. There's a DVD VCR located here in the class. If you have a VHS tape, put it in the right-hand side and click the video button. A DVD will be on the left-hand side and hit the DVD button. And then come up to the controller and hit the VCR DVD button. You can use the front panel controls or the remote control located on the desktop in order to control your DVD. In order to control the volume in this room, we do not use the volume button on the controller, but there's a little mixer located inside the desk here, and the front right knob that's located here and says main auxiliary is the knob we're going to use to turn the volume up or turn the volume down. And that volume knob is going to control any source that you have, whether it's the PC, something you're using on the laptop, or your DVD VCR. We're going to use that volume knob to control it. Everything we need to connect our laptop is located here on the desk in this little trap door. There's an audio cable, a video cable, a network cable, and there's also a power supply located inside there so that you can plug your laptop right in and don't have to rely on your battery. I'm going to plug the video cable into my video card, and I'm going to plug the audio cable into my headphone jack on my laptop. And I'm going to note that I can use this audio cable to play any other device that I might have, like an iPod or an MP3 player or something like that. Simply plug that into the headphone jack, and then you can use our audio system to play your device. Now that my laptop is all connected, I'm going to come over to the controller and to the source select, and I'm going to hit the little button with the picture of a laptop on it. And that's going to put my laptop up on the screen. Right now, nothing is showing up for me, and that's because I haven't told my laptop that an external projector is connected. And the way I'm going to do that is hold down the function key and press the F8 key on my keyboard. On my computer, it brings up a little menu for me, and I'll choose the duplicate mode. On some other computers, it might do those modes automatically. You may have to hit that F8 key a couple of times until your laptop shows up on the screen for you. When I'm all done with whatever it is I'm doing, I'm going to come back to my controller and to the projector area in the upper left. I'm going to click the off button. And that's important to do because it powers off the projector and it saves the life of the projector bulb for us. The last thing I'll mention is that here on the desktop is a written version of what I've told you on the video. And in the upper right-hand corner are the names and phone numbers of the Academic Technology Services staff. If you ever have problems during class or ever need help of any kind, please give us a call.